nobody knew how it formed. That's why it became a sacred item. Nobody knew how this kola nut was formed, how it formed in itself. That's why it became a sacred item. Some comes 5, some comes 6, some comes 1. The one that is 2 is called ojubi. The ojubi is like it's a deaf kola nut. That one, you don't chew it. That one, it's when you are trying to pay reverence to the land, you can actually break it. After your prayer, you break it, you throw it. You throw it on the floor, you don't eat it. So sometimes some people in the northern part of Nigeria call it goro. But in Igbo land, oji that has only 2 parts is called ojubi. It is not, you don't need to chew it. After you finish praying with it, you break it, you throw it on the ground. This is oji ikenga. This one is 3 in 1. This is 3 in 1. Now this 3 in 1 is that you don't also eat this. This is oji for your chi and ikenga. So when you break it, it always comes 3. Let me break this. You can see this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So the oji ikenga is 3 in 1. You can see how it is. I formed it back. This is how it is. This oji ikenga is only used for some kind of spiritual work that is very strong. That when you want to send your chi and ikenga spirit to fight, you want to send them to fight on your behalf, this is when you use this kind of kola nut. It is for a special mission. So it's not complete for you to partake in chewing it. But the one I showed you previously, which is the oji Igbo, which has 4 parts. You can see it has 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one represents the 4 Igbo market days. It has its significance and it has its own meaning. So this one can be broken. Then when you are breaking it, you throw 1 for the land. The land must have 1. Then you throw 1 for your ancestors in the Ichie. Then 1 can go for your chi. That's your guiding angel. Then you chew 1. You partake in that breaking of that kola nut. So if there are so many people, you can start with this one. Then after, you cannot break the rest after the prayer has been made, because you use this to conduct a prayer. In Igbo spirituality, you must touch an item before you pray. So whatever the white man is teaching in form of prayer is what they learn from us. So we are teaching them, this is how you pray. When you are praying, you must touch an item before you pray, for spirits to listen to you, because this is a spiritual item. Secondly, we have the Edo. The Edo.